What's up, guys? Y'all been basically bullying me in the comment section saying that I need to replace the headlights on this truck and this one. Now, of course, it's been on the to-do list, but y'all know the channel. We're more about enjoying the journey rather than just reaching our destination. So we haven't been rushing it. However, it is finally time to say goodbye to our crusty factory headlights. And while we have those out, it's going to be a great opportunity to do a complete halogen delete. This thing being an 07, every single bulb that it came with from the factory is that nasty yellow color. And so it looks terrible at nighttime, but worse than all, being a true truck enthusiast, as soon as you crank this thing, you got to turn the fog lights on. That right there is pretty much worse than not even having fog lights. But jokes aside, this has genuinely become one of my favorite things to do to these older trucks. It just changes the entire demeanor of the truck. Not only can you see better, but it looks so much newer, it's cleaner, it's classier. Just, it makes a world of a difference. So huge shout out to Lasfit. I'll have a link to them in the description. Be sure to go check it out. They got their Black Friday sale going on right now. So you can upgrade your truck and save yourself a bunch of money. Can't go wrong with that. Unfortunately, we do have to remove our grill to get access to the headlights, so just go ahead and pop all these push pins free for the radiator cover right here. Off she goes. Now you got 4 10 mils. After you got those 4 bolts off the top, we want to go ahead and pop this grill out, but there's a bunch of these little tabs. There's one down in here right next to the radiator. One up here, one down there, and then the same on the other side. You basically got to take some pliers and squeeze those together so that you can pop the grill out, and that's how you remove it. So just get you some pliers, squeeze them babies, and pop it free. And there is number 6. Now we got 2 10 mils. Should be able to wiggle this guy out. Ah, there's the technique. Lean the top down. So, looks like this is this factory? This doesn't really look that factory. Oh, it's got a it's got a halogen upgrade, baby. Let's go. Pop all these guys free. We're gonna have to remove this entire thing, transfer it over to our new headlights, but ooh, crusty turn signal. Looks like, let's just go ahead and disconnect the harness because we got like a star bit or something that we're gonna have to play around with. All right, let's go ahead and swap over our harness from our stock headlights to our new ones. Hopefully we can peel these guys off without making a big mess. We got a couple of these little star bits holding our harness down. Not sure what size, sorry about it. Let's go ahead and pop out our crusty turn signals. Get those guys out, and we can swap our harness over once we put some bulbs in. And once again, check these just like the high and low beams. If they don't work, all you got to do is rotate them 180 degrees, and then they will. Lock that guy in, and lock that guy in. Let's go ahead and throw our low beams in. You want to get these guys as straight up and down as possible. You can adjust them some, play around with them. The bigger one, the more important one to do is this lower high beam. You want the cable basically straight down, so this is pointing up. So once you lock that into place, you can basically just spin it back some and get it lined up how you want. Now we can plug in our harness. And like I said, just try it before you do all the work putting the whole thing back together. So there's a bunch of different options when it comes to picking what headlights you want to upgrade to. You can go super bougie and expensive and spend $2,000 on a set of custom color match projector upgraded sequential turn signals with a fancy running light. Now to me, that's typically a little bit overkill. Then you got like the middle of the road, couple $100. Maybe it has the next generation Silverado Sierra running light in it, which in some cases does look really cool, but to me, you just can't beat the tried and true, inexpensive, classy, clean look of a set of clears. Obviously now we got a bunch more of the harness, so we want to just tuck that in, basically right in here out of the way. Don't put anything on here. That's an alignment piece for that guy right there. So, see if we can get these in a little bit easier than we got the old ones out. Come on now, don't fight with me. Okay, okay, that's a good start. Let's get that behind that. Wow. Is it really gonna go in that easy? I'm shook. There's a little piece of cardboard. Wow. That went in super easy. All right, let's grab our 10 mils. Let's make sure our gap over here is looking good. Just kind of hold that into place. Don't go crazy, it is plastic. You will break it. Dude, all right, ASMR. Holy crap, that does look so much better. Get this set into place. Throw our radiator cover back on. Holy crap, dude. It looks so freaking good. Aside from the fact that the forces are just absolutely smoked by the humidity. How do I prevent that? Every time I open the shop up, it just, look, everything is just soaked from the humidity. Now it's time to turn this into this. So it might look like you want to grab these little arms and like bend them down to pop this guy out, but that actually is just going to break these arms off, and you're going to have to use a flat head to push the little pin in, because you're actually supposed to pinch these. So just 2 hands, pinch and kind of pry. It'll pop out just like that. And then on this back side, just push that down and it'll pop out. Just push that guy on there, lock her in, and then just want to connect this. There it is. For these front map lights, you just want to get a little flat head, pry it in there, and it'll pop right out. And if they're not too hot, you can just pop it out. Take your new Lasfit bulbs, just pop them in. You can kind of direct them how you want. Have them a little bit offset so they shine more on the seats than straight down, if you prefer. There it is.
It is a cold and windy Thanksgiving today, boys, and you probably could tell by my voice, your boy done got sick. Gosh, dog, it's just that time of the year, I guess, but let's go ahead and pop these guys free. Your yellow LED is going to be the white, and the one that's white is going to be your red. There we are. These outsides, too, are a little fun to take off. You're going to need pliers. I don't know why, but they on there real good. Oh yeah, so much better. These taillights are just held on by 2 Phillips head screws. Those should be so much brighter and so much better. And I'm gonna take these off once I feel better and the weather's better, and wash them behind there. Actually, we'll probably just wait until our new taillights come in, because we might got some color match ones coming in hopefully real soon. Oh yeah, so much better.
All right, guys, well, there she is, looking so much better with a fresh set of clears, as well as all of our new LEDs from Lasfit. Thank goodness now we can roll around with our fog lights on. It looks so much cleaner and more premium. I'm just absolutely stoked with it. And these are cheapo Amazon headlights, literally like $100-something, and they fit absolutely amazing. It's probably one of the best fitting Amazon special, eBay special clears I've ever gotten. So I'll have a link to those in the description, as well as to Lasfit's website, because they got their big Black Friday sale going on right now, as well as I think Cyber Monday and some Christmas stuff coming up as well. If you're not quite ready to pull the trigger, just be on the lookout for those sales to pop up, because you can save yourself a bunch of money. Now, I'm sure you've stuck around to the end of this video for info on the giveaway. So yes, thankfully we are doing a giveaway because it's Thanksgiving and Lasfit is being generous, and I'm able to pass it along, if I can speak, I'm able to pass it along to y'all as well. So all you got to do to get entered is drop a turkey emoji, your Instagram handle, what kind of truck you have, and be subscribed to the channel. So I'm going to randomly pick hopefully 3 different winners. I got to verify with them how many, but I'm shooting for 3. I'll just randomly pick a comment. I'll see your Instagram, I'll go over there, I'll say, yo, what's up, you won. Send me a screenshot of you being subscribed to the channel. You send that, and as long as they have products for your vehicle, I'm going to get you in contact with them and they'll get you some stuff sent out. So their big things that they have is LEDs, of course, for literally everything, and then they have their floor mats, which are super nice. I've ran several different sets of those. They're very premium, they fit good, they hold water, it's awesome. And then one of their new things is the bed mats, which unfortunately I haven't had a truck yet that has the configuration, the bed lengths for what they have for sale or in inventory. This one being a short bed, they don't have it for the trucks I have. Anyways, they all look really good. I've seen several videos online, and depending on what they have available for your truck is what they're going to be able to send you out. Figured it would be a good time here on Thanksgiving to do that. It's literally like 3 o'clock. We're eating dinner for Thanksgiving, which is weird. We're doing that at 6. Y'all know we post at 5:45. I gotta edit this and get it uploaded. Your boy's got a lot to do, but shout out to y'all. Super thankful for y'all, each and every one of y'all that do come back and watch the videos, and it means the world to me. It allows me to do all this stuff, and shout out to Lasfit and all the other companies that work with me. Y'all are the reason why we're here as well. So thankful for literally everything. So anyways, enough rambling. I'll see y'all boys in the next one. Drop your comments, get entered.